Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Now, do you need an AI setup that automatically give the replies to the comments that you receive on your Facebook page post? Then you are on the correct video. I have created this Gemini AI setup that automatically replies to the comments just like this. If you don't believe me, I will show you. So let's suppose I'm going to post a comment right here, and the comment is, so this is my comment. The post is amazing. I really like the image. Okay, so I am as the Michael Karras posting this comment right here. As now this comment has been posted, within 5 to 10 seconds, you will see this person who have posted the comment will receive an automated reply. It will usually take 5 to 10 seconds. And you can see in front of you only, nobody in my team has written this reply right here. The reply has came. We are so glad you enjoyed the image. Thank you for the wonderful feedback. It's always great to hear our community. We truly appreciate your support. So you can see in front of you itself, I've received the reply to this comment personally. So this is how the setup is actually going to work. This Gemini agent will analyze the post comment that you have received, will create the reply accordingly and post the reply back as well. So now if you want to learn how you can create this setup without need of any technical, coding and programming skills, for that you have to stay tuned till the end of this video. So now to create this amazing setup, I will be using the automation software in the name of Pabbly Connect. Now using this automation tool, you can create connection between 1,000 plus applications without need of any technical coding and programming skills. Like, it's very easy to use, and if you want to first test out how Pabbly Connect is going to work for free, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup with me right away in this video. And then if you like using Pabbly Connect, if you like the features and you want access to more amazing features of Pabbly Connect, you can purchase their yearly or one-time plans. The code on the left side of my screen, ANGYT, will help you to get amazing discounts on the purchase. Like it will give you the most discounts. So go ahead, use the code, purchase the plan and automate your business workflow right away. I'm already a user. I've logged in and I've already created the template for this workflow. If you want this template that I'm using in this video as well, check out the workflow link added in the description section below. Now, I'm going to set up my trigger, that is Facebook page's new comment. As soon as a new comment comes on my Facebook page by any of the audience, automatically I want my trigger should capture the response of that. That is, I've selected these application and event. Now I'm going to create the connection. Click on add new connection, connect with Facebook pages. Now you have to select the account and continue with the account with the help of which you have created your Facebook page. So as I'm going to click on the continue button, you will see the connection will be created. The connection was super easy because I've already logged into my Facebook account on a new tab. Okay. Now we have to select the Facebook page on which the comments are appearing and you want to create this AI agent for. So my Facebook page, my business page, is in the name of the Magic Makers. Use on this page, whenever the comment from the audience will come, automatically I want the trigger should capture the response of that. I want the simple format, so I'll select simple and click on this Save and Send Test Request button, and it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether my Facebook page, the Magic Makers, is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, so on a different post, I'm going to create a new comment. So let's suppose for this specific post right here, I will create a comment as, so this is my comment, amazing post, can I know about your business a bit more please? So I complimented the post as well as I've added a question. Okay, so I'm going to post this comment right here. As soon as from the account Michael Karras, I've posted this comment successfully, you will see automatically the reply for that, the comment that has been posted is going to be captured in the trigger, and you can see a response A is captured. The comment is from Michael Karras and the comment is amazing post, can I know about your business a bit more please? This was the same comment that we have posted. So as now we have received the message, let's ask Gemini to generate the reply for this specific message. For Gemini, we have Google AI Studio and event is generate content. Over here, click on the connect option, add new connection. Now you need to provide the API key. To have the key, go to the hyperlink you will go to the playground section of your Google Gemini account. You have to go towards this API key section, generate your own key from here. So this is the key section. You have to generate your own key from here, copy the key, paste it down in the field, and the connection will be created. I have already created a connection like that before, so I'm going to select the existing connection. After creating the connection, first you need to provide the prompt. Prompt is a text with the help of which Gemini will understand your request and generate the content accordingly. Okay, so I'm going to write my prompt, my text over here as, so this is the prompt. You are the official Facebook community manager for Magic Maker, a premium event management company. Now I need to enter this comment right here that I have received. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Add a slash previous step is going to appear. In the step, we have received the comment for which I want to generate the reply. So I'm going to select the data of the comment from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. Now whenever the new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. Now after that, it says your only responsibility is to generate the reply for Facebook comment posted on the page. Over here, I've written some rules. I've written a bit about my business and everything, upcoming events, all the things I've written right over here. So you can see this is my entire prompt. Now if you want the prompt that I'm using in the video, comment the word prompt in the comment section below, and you will see I'm going to share you this prompt that I'm using instantly. Okay, now over here it is asking for the model with the help of which the reply is going to be generated, for which I will be using Gemini 2.5 Pro model. Okay, method is going to be generate content, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As soon as now I will do that, you will see automatically within 2-3 seconds only the reply for that specific comment is generated. Thank you so much for your kind words. We are full service event management company specializing in creating unforgettable experiences from luxury weddings to corporate events. Please feel free to send us a private message to learn more about how can we help you. So you can see right over here, I have received this perfect blend of reply from Gemini's side. So now let's post this comment back on my Facebook page, for which I've selected Facebook comments reply comment on page post. Click on this connect option, add new connection, create the connection like from here. Then again it is going to ask us to continue with the account, for which you have to click on the continue button again like previously we have done, and as soon as we will do that, the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is going to be created. Sorry, Facebook comments. Okay, now after the connection is created, so first of all it is asking for us to select the page, for which I'm going to select the Magic Makers because on this page I will receive all the comments. After selecting the page, next it is asking for the post ID, for which simply map the data of the post ID that you have received in this previous step right here. This is the post ID. Okay, after that it is asking for the comment ID, for which I'm going to map the data of the comment ID that I have received over here as well. I'm going to show you. Wait, toggle the button on to map the data, erase the data from here, and then simply map the data of the ID that you have received, this comment ID in the previous step. And the reply, map the data of the reply from the Gemini step to here, and click on the save and send test request button, and you will see automatically you will receive this reply right here with the status as success. That's a positive response, and you can see automatically this comment is made. Thank you so much for your kind words. This is the same comment that was generated through Gemini is now been posted back on my Facebook page to my audience. So now as the reply has been posted, the setup is now created. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to this entire setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. If you want the prompt, write the word prompt in the description section. I will share you the prompt instantly. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.